just going to run through the features of the Honeywell and accenta. It's very slim. It's got a flap, and if you pull that down, it shows you all the numbers. To set the system, all you do is type your code in, and then that setting, that's just doing a full set of everything. And then to unset it, it's just your code again. It's just your code again to turn it off. It's still very slim. It's got a built-in panic button there. Built-in panic button 4 and 9. And this is how you zone it. This is how we do it when we go to bed. Here's all our zones. Here's all our zones here. So, we need zone 4, which is the landing, admitted. So, what you do is you type your code in, admit, zone 4, set, and if you press set again, it'll just fast set it. The first set means like the single set when you press it once. That just means to let the panel know you're finished. But if you press set again, it'll just jump to the 5 second. I'll unset it now. I'll show you how you do it downstairs. If I put that up, and you see there's no longer that unlock symbol, it's a red one. And if I go out, that sensor up there won't trigger the alarm. You see, it's not triggering it. It's not doing anything. But when I go downstairs, that sensor just there will get me. So I have to come down here, type my code in, and then the alarm is unset. He unlocks symbols back on. I'll take you upstairs again. We're back at the little control panel upstairs. I'm showing you how to zone it. If you want to chime on any zone, it's it could be zone 1 to 8. Doesn't really matter. Just press chime symbol followed by the number you want to chime. In our case, it's 4. So that means it'll chime the landing. You see, so it's chiming downstairs and in the bedroom. Do it again. You see? So if I go back to the little keypad. So to get it off, all you do is bow nothing, and then reset. That's what I do. I don't think the reset does anything really, but that's about it. It's the exact same on the downstairs control panel, which I'll show you now. Oh. Right, there we are. It's exactly the same. To set it going out, it's just type your code in, and you code in again to turn it off. Exactly the same as upstairs, zoning it. You type your code in, admit for set, and then you go upstairs, and then the sensor spotted me, so it'll do the fast beeping, and then it's exactly the same up here. That's giving telling you it's about to set. now it's set. So to unset it, just type your code in. So that's why we had it up here, just so we didn't have to make the alarm bleep. But that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.